everyone, Ahmad Najjar here. I'm pleased to speak at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference 2024 in Orlando. I am thrilled to invite you to my workshop extending the Power Platform using Azure Services and AI. The Power Platform has evolved since its launch to become one of the leading digital transformation accelerators in the digital landscape. It seamlessly can be extended using Azure Services and AI, so this workshop is brought to you. Azure is a sea of services. However, the Power Platform does not lack the capability of integrating with these services, which is one of the main takeaways you'll leave with by learning how to integrate with services like Azure Functions, Blob Storage, Service Bus, and more. Now, AI has become an essential enabler in the digital landscape. Again, the Power Platform does not lack the capability of integrating with these services and embedding AI into its underlying services. Learning the AI landscape, AI Builder, and other AI possibilities are also main takeaways. Finally, extending the Power Platform using Azure Services and AI is not an aim by itself. Instead, it's a tool to reach new heights to empower organizations to enhance productivity, which makes it so important to explore how to extend AI and Azure services efficiently as part of the main takeaways in my workshop. If you want to learn all this and more, register to my workshop to secure your seat. I'm so excited to see you in Orlando.